5 years ago, we never imagined that she would be here today. When Angelica was 4 years old, she started coughing and having fevers. We brought her into the emergency room, and that's when we found out she had double pneumonia, and her kidney stopped working.
Sweet creature.
Things were getting really bad really fast. They brought in a chaplain to talk with us.
We thought that we're about to lose her.
Don't know where we're going.
What saved her life is she got her kidney transplant from her mother.
Well, what did Mommy give you?
Mommy gave me her kidney.
Oh, Mommy gave you her kidney. Oh, let's hug Mommy.
She's my hero.
It's her dream to become a singer. Her being here today is a miracle.
If I won America's Got Talent, I would get a puppy. I would get a puppy, like a small tiny puppy. Let's go.
Good evening. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Angelica Hale.
And where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old, and I just found out that I'm gonna be a big sister.
Wow!
Who do you want to be like?
I want to be the next Whitney Houston.
Wow!
I want to be a superstar.
Wow.
And I'm so happy to be here because, like, I've been watching your show on YouTube, and now I feel like I'm in it, and I'm like so like awestruck.
And not only are you in it, you're in it to
win it.
Yeah. Clever little girl.
Go ahead, Angelica.
Okay.
Win it
thank
for
you.
yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whitney Houston.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the fighter. Wow. But I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out and move mountains.
Oh my God.
We're gonna walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise up today. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you. Oh my God. For you. And we'll rise up high like the waves. We'll rise up in spite of the eye, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you.
You have a star on your hands. A star. Oh, the woman to cry.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow.
OMG. You're so beautiful. Simon, talk to her.
Well, this shouldn't actually happen. You're tiny, your voice is huge, have a feeling we may be looking at a star in the future.
Thank you.
Heidi.
Wow, I had goosebumps everywhere. You're a clever little girl, and you said you want to be a superstar. I think that might happen for you. Let me tell you.
Mel B.
You are so special, and your voice is so amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this with us today.
By the way, Mel B, you're my favorite judge.
Yes. Go and give me a hug. You are so bold.
It was all going so well.
You are so gorgeous.
Thank you.
You did an amazing job.
Angelica, you said you've been watching this on YouTube and you felt like now you're in it. I believe that not only are you in it, I predict that all your dreams are going to come true, young lady. Mel, vote.
Oh, yes, a million times over. Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you.
Heidi.
Of course it's a yes. A big, fat yes.
Simon.
Who did you say your favorite judge was?
Me.
Look, I mean,
Angelica, you are absolutely brilliant. Love you. I'm honored that I'm your favorite judge as well. You've got 3 yeses.
So you got 3 yeses. I'm going to give you your 4th. You have 4 yeses.